What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a neck.
And we are back at it for another reaction video. This is Human Nature by Gabriel Henrique, Michael Jackson. So we about to go ahead and dive straight into it. Like, comment, subscribe to Baby Let's Vibe. Hit the button, baby.
Across the nighttime, the city we can sleep inside.
Yeah, this is Allie.
Hear her voice, shake my window, sweet seducing sound. Get my heart into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight.
Turn me up.
If this town is just an idol, then let me take a bite. If they say right.
Yes, you put the background vocals in there. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Real quick question. Those of y'all that are really like diehard Michael Jackson fans, how do y'all feel about people that do covers to Michael Jackson's music? Because I remember I dated a girl. She was a really diehard Michael Jackson fan, and she did not like when people would do covers to Michael Jackson songs. So how do y'all feel about it? Because me personally, I don't see nothing wrong with it, especially when you do it right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like I don't think Michael would see a problem with it. That's just me personally. Like, doing covers to your songs, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, who wouldn't want to redo a legend song? You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't think that. I think folks should be allowed to do their covers in peace. You know what I'm saying?
If they say right, telling that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? Reaching out.
Okay, reverb.
Electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows our words. She likes the way I stare. If they say right,
Do that again.
she likes the way I stare.
That's one thing with artists and their control with their vocals and whatnot. I'd be like, how he like hopped into like it sounded like it was like chess, and then like when the hey yeah like brought it back down. I'm like, bruh, like how do you do that? Like that breath control gotta be something, boy. Do it again.
She likes the way I stare.
Like how he's like, Ray, and then like went to falsetto like real quick, and then just came back down. Like that breath control gotta be A1, brother.
She likes the way I stare. If they say right, telling that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature. Right, does he do me that way? I like it living this way. I like it loving this way. That's way.
This is the one thing I'm always give artists. I love when folks put background vocals, stack the vocals, whatever it is that you call it. Like, I love it when they do that. Like, I love it when they do that because it gives songs so much color. But then it's like the way that Gabriel did his on this song, it's still him. You know what I'm saying? I really like how they did that. Like like I really like how they did that. Like that was really clean. Like, telling that it's human nature.
does he do me that way? If they say right, ooh, right,
all
does
right.
he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? Right.
Whoa.
Ooh, right.
Yeah.
I like to live me this way. I like to love me this way.
What?
Oh,
One more time. Yeah. Yeah. That's how you do that there. That's how you do that there, brother. That's how you do that there. Real quick, I want to go back real quick because I love how he blended the lead vocal with the background vocals. It's like it sounded really, really clean. Let me see if I find it. Wait, hold on. Wait, is this it? Wait, is this it? No, here it is. Like, I love how he sounded with the lead, like how the lead and sounded with the background vocals. Like, yes. No, Dumbledore clap. Gotta be fancy. You must be fancy when you clap. You must be fancy at all times when you clap because we are the sexy, the premium. You know what I'm saying? We gotta be fancy at all times. Very demure, very, very pristine. You know what I'm saying? Clap like this at all times. You know what I'm saying? That's what we do. But nah, like this is really clean though. Like this is really, really clean production.
I like you living this way.
Do it again.
I like to love me this way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Beautiful. And then on that second one, he went and did he went and did him, right? First one, I sing with the background vocals. Second one, I do me, but I'm still here though. You know, I went up a little bit, but I'm still here though. You know what I'm saying? Continue. Yep, still here. And then I like how they made the last, like they didn't have the background vocal right there. And it's just him right there. I like how they did that. I really like how they did that. Yeah. Yes, sir. He did that. I'ma like the vid. That brother did that one right there. He did that one. Clap again. Clap correctly. Thank you. Now you know what we got to do, right?
Hey, DJ!
I got you, baby. I gotta do it again for y'all. I gotta do it again. We gotta do it again. You had to do it again, right? Had to do it again. Gabriel Henrique, Michael Jackson. Let's get it.
Looking out across the nighttime, the city weak is sleeping inside. Hear her voice shake my window, sweet seducing sound. Get my heart into the nighttime, for walls won't hold me tonight. If this town is just an apple, then let me take a bite. If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? If they say right, telling that it's human nature, right, does he do me that way? We reaching out, touch a stranger, electric eyes are everywhere. See that girl, she knows our words. She likes the way I stare. If they say right, tell them that it's human nature. Right, cause you do me that way. If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, cause you do me that way.
Do me that way, baby.
Do me this way.
Do me this way, baby.
Love me this way.
Do me this way, baby.
That way. If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, cause you do me that way. If they say right, ooh, right,
All
cause you do
right.
me that way. If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right,
Yeah.
cause you do me that way. If they say right, tell him that it's human nature. Right, cause you do me that way.
Hey,
Right,
sing.
that it's human nature. Right, cause you do me that way. Right, you are right. I like you living this way. I like you love me this way.
That brother's smooth, baby. Put the beat in. Oh, and we fading out, baby. Oh yeah. But like, I ain't gonna lie. The thing that I'm gonna say this and I'm gonna be done. I really like the fact that he did him on that one, right? I really like the fact that he made sure that he keeps it Gabriel and not I'm gonna sing it just like Mike did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like the fact that because like you can tell when he's singing and it's like it's him versus trying to sound like somebody or trying to basically sing the song the same way Michael did. You know what I'm saying? Like, I like the fact that he adds his flavor onto stuff. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm about to get up out of here though. Peace, baby. Lay out.